Hi, this is Mars again of Mars Gallery, and I will be sharing another painting which is a tropical flower, my interpretation of birds of paradise. I'm done with the background, so I'll be starting to paint bird of paradise. This is a very common painting, so I really wanted to have one bird of paradise painting as well. I'll be starting with white because I have this background para lumabas naman yung real color kapag nag-start ako sa undercoat niya ng white. It before, but I cannot remember. But yeah, it's a tropical flower, good for indoors.